I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really exciting to share with you today. If you're loving the world of motorhomes, overlanders, and just awesome rolling homes that inspire adventure, you are going to absolutely geek out with this one. We're diving into the buzz around the all-new, upcoming 2026 Kenworth W1000 Motorhome, and trust me, this thing might just be the most talked about dream RV hitting the scene in years. Now, before we dive in, I'll note that Kenworth hasn't officially released production details yet, but from what enthusiasts, builders, and concept designers are throwing out there, and from the wild online excitement, this thing is shaping up to be something truly next level. Picture this, Kenworth, the name behind some of the most iconic heavy-duty trucks on the planet, stepping boldly into the world of luxury motorhomes with something that blends true overland capability with the plush comfort and features you'd expect from a high-end living space on wheels. Now pull up a seat, get comfortable, because we're about to take a deep, enthusiast-style look at everything that's got people talking about the 2026 Kenworth W1000. From its bold new design and hybrid powertrain to its interior upgrades, off-road potential, price expectations, and how it stacks up against past motorhome legends. First off, just at a glance, the W1000 is massive. Think double-decked grandeur cradled on a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis that roots it firmly in the company's legendary trucking heritage. It's not some lightweight camper van. This is a rolling mansion on wheels, a statement machine engineered to live on the road without compromising on durability or presence. And that design, oh man, enthusiasts are loving it. Imagine a long, rugged hood, a little nod to those classic Kenworth lines, but integrated with contemporary aerodynamics and high-strength composite exterior panels. You get that unmistakable Kenworth silhouette, but modernized and refined. It's bold, it's purposeful, and it turns heads wherever it rolls. One of the most exciting features fans are talking about is the powertrain. Now here, again, some of what you've heard is concept-level chatter, but it's seriously intriguing. Rather than sticking with a purely diesel setup, the W1000 is rumored, in concept form, to offer a hybrid diesel-electric system. That means big torque and power for highway cruising and quieter, electric-only capability when you're parked at a campsite or rolling through quiet morning roads. Imagine pulling into a gorgeous overlook, switching into silent electric mode, and sipping coffee while everything hums peacefully. That's the dream right there. And keeping with the spirit of off-grid adventure, people are speculating that solar panels integrated on the roof could provide supplemental power to the onboard systems, topping up the battery bank while you're enjoying the sunshine in desert canyons or high mountain ranges far from hookups. It's the kind of tech we're increasingly seeing in high-end expedition rigs, and it fits this beast perfectly. Okay, let's talk off-road capability, because what good is a truck-based motorhome if it can't handle a little adventure? The W1000's concept imagery floating around suggests reinforced suspension, high ground clearance, and rugged all-terrain tires, giving it the confidence to tackle backcountry routes that might intimidate a traditional Class A RV. Now obviously if this ends up being a production spec feature, that would be a huge point of distinction, a motorhome that can venture off the beaten path without ticking every box off the warranty manual. What's really cool is thinking about how this compares to other motorhomes of the past. If you've ever seen a classic class, a diesel pusher or a luxury motor coach, they're usually epic inside but not always great when the road gets rough. The W1000, by virtue of being built on a beefy Kenworth platform, feels like it's aiming for the best of both worlds, a truck's strength underneath with luxury living quarters above. And speaking of luxury living quarters, let's walk inside. This is where the W1000 really shines in the imagination of fans and creators online. The interior design is being envisioned with handcrafted finishes, plush seating, and thoughtful layout that actually feels like home rather than a cramped RV. Think premium leather-wrapped lounge areas that convert into sleeping spaces, panoramic windows that frame your sunrise views, and a dining spot that doubles as a workspace if you're living the remote lifestyle. In the kitchen, modern appliances that would make any chef smile. Full-size fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, all nestled into beautifully finished wood cabinetry with plenty of counter space and clever storage solutions. No more squeezing around a tiny kitchenette that feels like a footnote. This is real living space. The bedroom area. Enthusiasts are imagining a king-size bed with memory foam comfort, built-in wardrobes, subtle lighting, and enough room to feel like you're in a private suite. I mean, imagine waking up to mountain peaks or ocean waves from that bed, a far cry from the cramped bunks we've seen in so many RVs over the years. And let's not gloss over the technology. The idea of an AI-assisted cockpit that helps you navigate, park, and monitor systems, while also offering a sleek digital dashboard, has got a lot of people completely hyped. Dual screens, voice command features, and smart connectivity, it's like the cockpit of a luxury car married to the outlook of a home command center. Now, with such jaw-dropping features and luxurious appointments, you're probably wondering, what's this kind of dream machine going to cost? Alright, let's talk pricing, and keep in mind that since we're working in speculation and enthusiast concept space, these are educated guesses based on similar high-end motorhomes and custom builds. But if we look at ultra-premium rigs on the market today, prices can easily stretch well into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and the W1000 concept is no different. A fully loaded version, with hybrid tech, solar systems, luxury finishes, and off-road capability. People are talking figures that could easily land north of $400,000 and potentially up toward $500,000 or more depending on options and customization. That puts it in the league of elite expedition motorhomes and bespoke RV builds. Now let's bring this back to how exciting this is for us, the community of dreamers, explorers, RV lovers, and truck enthusiasts. Kenworth has built a legendary reputation over decades with trucks that have powered industries and adventures around the world. The classic W900, an absolute icon, is even being retired in 2026 after a long, storied life in trucking history. And here's the part that gets me absolutely buzzed. Imagine taking that legacy, rugged, dependable engineering, and reimagining it for the modern adventure lifestyle. That's exactly what the W1000 concept feels like. It's not just a motorhome, it's a bridge between two worlds. The heart-pounding excitement of overlanding in remote terrain, and the comfort, warmth, and style of a truly luxurious living space. Now, of course, we'll all be watching closely for official statements from Kenworth or actual prototype reveals, but for now, the excitement in the community is real, and the ideas circulating are downright inspiring. People are scheming floor plans, debating which powertrain option they'd choose, dreaming about road trip routes, and sharing renders and mock-ups that make the imagination run wild. And hey, this isn't just about the tech and features, it's about what this kind of mobile home represents. Freedom, possibility, the ability to explore your world on your terms, without giving up comfort or capability. From driving through epic desert landscapes to parting beneath ancient forests, sipping a sunset glass of wine while the road hums quietly beneath you, that's the lifestyle the W1000 is starting to symbolize in the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere. So whether you're already an RV owner, a truck fan, an overlander at heart, or just someone who loves incredible engineering with soul and character, the idea of the 2026 Kenworth W1000 Motorhome is something worth getting excited about. Let me know in the comments. If you could design your dream feature for this rig, what would you add? Would you go all-out luxury? Or full expedition beast mode? Decked out interior bar, hidden garage for adventure toys? I want to hear your wild ideas. If you enjoyed this hype dive and want more coverage of future motorhome concepts, overland beasts, and rolling homes that make you feel alive on the road, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because we've got a lot more road trip goodness coming your way. Until next time, stay adventurous, keep dreaming, and I'll see you out there on the open road. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.